Hey you guys, welcome back or welcome to the Kaizen Project. This is the Kaizen Man, and I'm here today to talk to you about another personal finance principle known as dollar cost averaging. Now again, caveat at the beginning of the video, I'm not a professional financial advisor. I'm not going to give you investing advice, and I'm only here to talk to you about principles that I have used and benefited from over the last several years. Now, because I'm not a financial advisor, you might be wondering, why am I making this video? What is the point? Well, here's the point. We all deal with money. We all deal with debt and credit and everything that comes with money. But in schools, we're not taught personal finance. At least I know I wasn't taught personal finance when I was growing up in schools. I know it's starting to change a little bit, but I do think that there's a long way to go in the education that we all need to deal with money. So here, these videos that I'm making for you are not meant to be investment advice, but more so just understanding basic principles of money and how you can be on the winning side of the equation as opposed to the other side of the equation. And one such principle that can really benefit you if you're investing for a long period of time is called dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging sounds a little bit fancy, but it's a very simple principle, and I explain it to you right now. When you think of the stock market, you don't know what it's going to do, right? It's unpredictable. But here's the thing. It is predictable. The stock market either goes up, or it goes down, or it goes sideways. Those are the three things that the stock market does. The unpredictability is that you don't know when that's going to happen. It might go up tomorrow, it might go down tomorrow, or it might go sideways. We don't know. But we do know that it's going to do one of those three things. And this is where dollar cost averaging comes in. Dollar cost averaging simply means that you consistently buy units into a particular asset, say a stock, and you buy them over a long period of time, so you get to participate in the volatility of the market. You buy it when it's high, you buy it when it's low, you buy it when it's the same, and that way, in the end, what you get is an average of the different price points at which you bought in at, and you get your final price, which is generally lower or maybe a little bit higher than the initial purchase you made. I think an example here would help. So let's say that you have $100 a month that you want to invest towards a particular asset. Generally, assets you buy in with the assumption that they're going to go up over time. That's how you accumulate wealth. That's how you grow your net worth. So you're taking $100 and you're investing it towards a particular asset. Now, each unit of this asset costs $10. Simple math, you have $100, $10 a unit, you get 10 units. So you, at the end of the first month, you have 10 units worth $100. Now let's go to month 2. In month 2, that same asset has now gone up in value. Now it's worth $20. So now with that same $100 investment, you can only buy 5 units. 20 into 5, 100. So same $100, and now you buy 5 units. So end of month 2, you have 15 units that you've bought in total, and the price that you've paid for them is $200. Month 3, now that same asset has dropped down. It's only worth $5. So you put that same $100 into that asset to buy 20 units. At the end of month 3, you have 35 units in total, 10 the first month, 5 the next, and then 20. So now you have 35 units of this same asset that you paid $300 for. So what is your average cost price at the end of 3 months? You can calculate it. 35 units, $300 comes to somewhere around $8.57. Now, at no point did you pay $8.57 for this unit, but because you bought it at different price points, you get the average of the cost. Now, you can see how in the long term, this can benefit you because you buy regardless of market volatility. So when the price is high, you buy. When the price is low, you buy. And because you're able to consistently invest in the market, you over time will see your investments grow. So here's the simple example of dollar cost averaging. Please let me know what you thought of this video. If you enjoyed it, hit a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Like I said, I'm passionate about personal finance and I'm passionate about passing on whatever information and knowledge and a little bit of wisdom that I have learned from my years of investing. I'm not a top investor, but it is something that I do and have consistently done for over a decade. I'm happy to make more of these videos. If you have any specific questions, any concepts that you want to talk about or learn more about, please leave a comment below. As always, thank you so much for your attention. It's a pleasure and an honor to be here and spend this time with you. Until next time, it's the Kaizen Man signing out.